Native English phrases.
Call off.
It means cancel.
They called off the meeting. Act out.
It means behave badly, express emotions.
The child started acting out in class. Invite over.
It means ask someone to come to your place.
I invited my friends over for dinner. Well said.
It means expressed perfectly.
Well said. I agree completely. Totally normal.
It means completely usual.
Don't worry, it's totally normal. Spare me.
It means don't bother, stop.
Spare me your excuses. Since when?
It means showing surprise.
Since when do you wake up early? Point taken.
It means I understand, accept.
Okay, point taken. Pin this on somebody.
It means blame someone.
Don't pin this mistake on me. Seems a bit dour.
It means looks gloomy or serious.
He seems a bit dour today. I'm not myself.
It means feeling different than usual.
Sorry, I'm not myself today. Kind of a home from home.
It means a place where you feel comfortable.
Her house feels like a home from home. Stop gaslighting.
It means stop manipulating reality.
Stop gaslighting me, I remember clearly. He's a simp.
It means he overly seeks approval.
Everyone says he's a simp for her. You have beef with her.
It means you have conflict.
Do you have beef with her? Drama queen.
It means overreacts emotionally.
She's such a drama queen. Stalk.
It means follow secretly.
He was accused of stalking her online. I had to say no.
It means I couldn't agree.
I wanted to help, but I had to say no. Start over.
It means begin again.
Let's start over and fix this. Face the truth.
It means accept reality.
It's time to face the truth. Lost track of time.
It means didn't notice time passing.
I lost track of time while reading. I'm running late.
It means I'll be delayed.
Sorry, I'm running late. Something came up.
It means unexpected issue happened.
I can't come, something came up. I got held up.
It means I was delayed.
Traffic held me up. Never look back.
It means move on confidently.
Chase your dreams, never look back. Hush money.
It means money paid to keep quiet.
He paid hush money to avoid trouble. Guilty pleasure.
It means something enjoyed secretly.
Chocolate is my guilty pleasure. Take a bite.
It means eat a small amount.
Take a bite of this cake. Slurp.
It means drink noisily.
Don't slurp your soup. Don't pig out.
It means don't overeat.
Don't pig out before dinner. Don't punch me.
It means don't hit me, often joking.
That joke was bad, don't punch me. Into traveling.
It means likes traveling.
She's really into traveling. Let me put it this way.
It means explain differently.
Let me put it this way, it's risky. As simple as that.
It means nothing more to it.
Follow the rules, as simple as that. I'm allergic to.
It means have an allergy.
I'm allergic to peanuts. There you are.
It means found you.
There you are. I was looking for you. Too little, too late.
It means help came late.
Your apology is too little, too late. He is incompetent.
It means not capable.
The manager is incompetent. Stop horsing around.
It means stop joking, messing.
Stop horsing around and work. You had one job.
It means you failed a simple task.
You had one job and messed it up. Face the music.
It means accept consequences.
You lied, now face the music. I resent that.
It means I feel offended.
I resent that accusation. Don't put that on me.
It means don't blame me.
Don't put that on me, I didn't do it. In due time.
It means at the right time.
You'll succeed in due time. You do you.
It means do what suits you.
I prefer this, you do you. My Pookie.
It means term of affection.
Come here, my Pookie. Have a blast.
It means enjoy a lot.
Have a blast at the party. Cheapskate.
It means very stingy person.
Don't be a cheapskate, tip him.